Hey everyone, I'm Sudeep. In this video, we will see the one of the CRUD operation, that is create operation, using the commands insertOne, insertMany and insert. Create operation refers to creating a new collection in the database or adding a new data to an existing collection. We can add the documents into a collection in MongoDB using three different commands. One is insertOne, insertMany and insert. Insert1 command should be used whenever a single document has to be inserted into the collection. And the example db.collectionName.insert1, and inside that you will pass the document object. And insertMany command should be used whenever more than one document has to be inserted into the collection. Example db.collectionName.insertMany, and you will pass the array of document objects. Third command, that is insert. It is alternative for both insertOne and insertMany command to insert one or more documents to the collection. Example db.collection.insert, and inside that it will take either array of objects or object. Let's see these operations practically. For this, open the MongoDB shell where you can run the MongoDB commands. Let's create the MongoDB database. I will be creating the student database. So use student DB. Press enter. So now it is pointing to the student database. Let's create the collection named students. db.create collection pass students. Press enter. Show collections. So we have a students collection created. Let's use the insertOne method to insert the one student data into the students collection. For that, db.collectionName students.insertOne, and I have one student data. With these data, just press enter. Here the acknowledgement is true and the inserted ID will be displayed. So to see that whether it is inserted in the database or not, let's run the method db.collectionName.find. So this method will return all the data which is present in the collection. Here you can see our data is inserted successfully. Next, let's see the next command, that is insertMany, where you can insert multiple documents into a collection in one go. For that, db.collectionName.insertMany. I have two students data. Just press enter here. In the output, it has printed the inserted IDs and the acknowledge is true. So our data is inserted successfully. To check this, run the command db.collectionName.find. Here you can see the two students record inserted into the students collection successfully. In this video, we have covered insertOne, insertMany and insert commands. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.